Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to design a modern TV wall furniture in 3D using Google SketchUp. If you are a beginner, don't worry at all. I will explain everything slowly, clearly, and in an easy way using basic SketchUp tool. This model might look difficult at first, but I promise you, if you follow this video from start to finish, you will be able to create the same TV wall cabinet by yourself. I will show you a quick clean workflow so you don't waste your time and you make understand how real furniture is modeled in Google SketchUp. And to help you practice at home, I will give you the free 3D model download at the end of this video. So make sure watch until the end and let's get started modeling together. Okay, happy to see you again with me. And this is our 3D model that has model yesterday. I'm going to show you how to model this 3D now. To model this, you need to model the square steel first. Okay, this toolbar, there are so many tools that we use to design this 3D, but believe me, we just choose of them. Okay, so now let's get started. I use rectangle to draw the square steel. Just click one here and then hold. Just move your mouse. Put 350, 1500, hit enter. Use offset tool here. Just click one and move your mouse. Don't hold, okay? Put 20, hit enter. This space I don't want, just click one. Right click erase. Just push to push up 20, hit enter. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3 times click. Right click, make group. Use rectangle again. Click 1, 2. Use push tool here to push 150, hit enter. 1, 2, 3, 3 times select, make group. And then copy. To copy, use move tool here and press Ctrl. Okay, copy two of them to here. Use move tool, click one, and then press Ctrl. Okay, and then I move in 150, hit enter. Here are the same. 150, hit enter. So now I want to move it still from here to here. Okay, so now I use the tape measure tool to mark the snaps. Just click one, use move tool here. Okay, the tape measure again. 1, 2, okay. Use rectangle tool. 1, 2. Use push and pull tool. Click one from here. Okay, 3 times click. 1, 2, 3. Right click, make group. Okay, now copy. To copy, use move tool plus Ctrl. Click here. From here. Okay, next up, we design the cabinet. Then I need to group it all. Right click, make group. Okay, use rectangle tool again. 1, 2, and then use push tool to push 350. Hit enter. Okay, and use the offset tool here. Just click one and move in. I put 12. Hit enter. Okay, so now I push in. But before I push, I use the tape measure. Click one, and from here I put 12. It is the thickness of the board. Okay, so now when I push in from here, and you can see that from here to here the thickness equal here 12. 1, 2, 3. Right click, make group. Okay, use tape measure again. Click one, and then I put 500. Hit enter. Okay, and use the rectangle tool. Click 1, 2, and use offset tool. Just click one and move your mouse, and I put 12. Hit enter. And here I don't need, just right click, erase. And here I pull from here, and then I push in 12. Hit enter. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right click, make group. Okay, tape measure, shortcut key letter T. From here to here I need 15. 15. Okay, you return auto. From here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Right click, make group. Okay, just return auto again. Push up. While hit enter. Make group. Okay. So now I hide this one here. Okay, and another one. Okay. Click one, edit, offset tool, where. Okay. Push in. I find the center here. Because from the center here to here, I do another locker. Okay. Bonus. I just pull 30. Okay. Okay, you take measure tool. Letter T. And from here to here, 12, hit enter. Okay, use rectangle. 1, 2, and then pull here, and you use control, press control, and then hit 20. Okay. Go along here, and you will reset hole. Make group, adjust group. 1, 2, together. Okay, now I hide. Okay, now let's do another locker. Use T again. And then from here to here. Okay. Right click, edit group. Use rectangle tool, shortcut key or. So offset tool. File again. Okay. So now I push in. Here I push in from here. And this one, I push in file. Okay. Delete all guideline. This one line I don't need. You rush tool to rush. Okay. Now this one. 15. Space. Okay. 15. From here to here. 20. Okay. Now use rectangle. Pull here. Okay. And I use the rectangle. Okay. So I move out. It is easy to work. Okay. From here to here, file again. Erase the line that I don't want. Sorry. Okay. Here, offset tool here. 12. Okay. From here to here, 12 again. And I use push and pull tool to pull in. Okay. This is what I need. Make group. Put it in. Okay, so continue. Now I unhide. See something like this. Okay. If I hide from here and here, we'll see like this. Okay. From here, when you move, okay, even up like this. Okay. Now hide this one again, and I hide this one, and I want to work from here. So now I move. Use move tool. I think that you will know. Okay. Rotate tool here from click 1, 2. Put 90 angle. Okay. Use move tool. Scale. To scale it, use letter S. Okay. Here. Click on the middle point, go here. Okay. Now use mirror tool here. Mirror from this. Okay. Move tool to move. When I use shortcut key, it will pop up like here. When I press letter M, so you can see if you don't understand. Okay. So now let me group these together. Right click, make group. Okay. Unhide. You can go to edit and unhide all. Okay. Now I hide this one. Okay, hide this one again. Okay, I need to copy this one. Okay. Letter S to scale. To copy. Move plus control. Okay, mirror again. From here to here. Okay. Make group. Okay, now unhide one. Okay, you see? So now I copy 1, 2. Copy. Okay. And then I use the tape measure from here. 6. From here. 6. Use rectangle tool. Sorry. Okay. Use push tool. Put from here. Okay. See time. Click make group. Okay, done. So okay, so the handle here. I use the tape measure T. Find the center. Okay. From here to here. 30 enter. From here to here 5. Okay. 50. 50. Okay, now I use the rectangle tool. P. Okay, for me 20. Okay, use 2-point tool. Shortcut key A. Here, click 1, 2. Okay, here. And then just click 1, use offset tool. Letter F. 5. Okay. From here to here. Put 5. Okay. Just use pencil. 5 again. Okay. Make group. Okay. I don't need. 5. So now hide this one and hide this one. Okay. Now this one I link together. Okay. And select from the left to the right. Okay. Make group. From here I delete. Okay, now I just DBS plugin. Okay, just click 1 and then just select. Okay. Close. Okay. Okay, this one. Right click. Open. Boom. Okay. and then I do another one. Just go to the group 1, 2 again, and this one, select the axis, vertical here, right click, go to close, I'm here, move up like this, okay, to open. So, and then blocker here, again, select axis here, right click, close, and then use palm here, okay, right click, open, and then click here, boom. Okay, great. Okay, and then copy. So you don't need to do it again, just copy. Okay. Okay, finish. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe to support my channel. And you can download this model in the description below. Okay, thank you.